Hello everyone, welcome to Infinity CAD. In today's tutorial, we will create this amazing Solidworks model. I hope you like it. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, just don't forget to subscribe us. So let's get started. So here, this is our exercise. With the help of this, we will create our model. This exercise link is given in the description. You can download it from there. In this sketch, you can see we have given our top view, front view and right hand side view. In the front view, you can see this is the total length of the workpiece, which is 125 mm, and height of the workpiece is 73 mm. This distance is given to us 53 mm. There is one arc of radius 44 mm. This angle is 72 degree. Angle between these two faces is 138 degree, these two faces. And the distance from this point to the center line of this rectangle, which is of 30 by 24 mm, it is 22 mm. Horizontally it is 26 mm, and this rectangle is cut up to 48 mm. This angle is given to us 65 degree, 74 mm. So let's see how we can create it. First of all, I'll choose front plane and do sketch on it. Now I will choose here a line and draw one line, horizontal line like this. Again one line. Now you can see when I will go to this point again, see it is converted into an arc. Draw one arc like this, and from up to here again vertical, again like this over here, and join it over here. Select here OK. Let's make it vertical. OK. Now let's assign some dimensions. This distance is 53 mm, radius 44 mm, this angle is 72 degree. This angle is 72 degree. (138 degree). And this distance 26 mm. Vertically 73 mm. Total distance is 125 mm. 125. Select OK. Now choose this line and choose the center point, this distance. OK, now it is fully defined. So select here features and select extruded boss base. Choose here end condition mid plane 74 mm. Select OK. Now let's choose this face and select sketch. Select a line and select this corner point and draw one line like this. Give it an angle from this edge to this line, 65 degree. OK. Now exit the sketch. Go to features and select here reference plane. Choose this line and in second reference use here right plane and select sketch. See, we have created one plane. Now go to extruded cut and select this line. In end condition we will choose here through all and select OK. See, it is cut. Now let's hide this plane. OK. Choose this face and select sketch. Let's draw one center line. Draw one line like this, not from the center point. Select OK. Now let's assign this dimension. From this edge, the center line is at 23 mm. So from this point it is 22 mm. So from here, choose one center line like this, draw one, escape. Again choose smart dimension and select this line and this point. It is 22 mm. So now we have got our center point. So from here select center rectangle and choose this point. It is 24. Press tab, 30 mm, enter. OK. Let's make it fully defined. This is 24 and horizontally 30. Perfect. Now just go to features and select extruded cut. Give it distance 48 mm. Choose condition blind, select OK. See, it is cut. Now let's give some color to this model. So from here I will choose cut extrude, this cut extrude as well as this, and choose appearance. Give it a color like this and select OK. So that's all in this tutorial. I hope you like this video. If you think that this video has given you some knowledge, then just go and hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe us. Thanks for watching.